So here we have our income data again, and we want to create a 5-number summary for this data. And so we need to figure out where our quartile 1, quartile 3, median, and min and max are. So minimum is fairly easy, right? That's our smallest value, and our maximum is fairly easy. That's the largest value. And now we need to find our quartile 1, quartile 3, and median. So for quartile 1, our locator will be 25% of our data. We have 100 pieces of data is 25. And since that's a whole number, we know we need to go between the 25th and 26th data values. So the mean of the 25th and 26th data values. For our median, and I think we've done this one before, but that's okay. For our median, right, we find half of our data values. Notice it's really the same as multiplying by 0.5 there. We come up with 50, which is a whole number, so we need the mean of the 50th and 51st data values. And then for quartile 3, let's see, it's going to come out to be 75, and so we need the mean of the 75th and 76th data values. Okay, so now we got to get counting. So here we have 6 pieces of data. Plus another 8 is 14, so together this is 14 pieces of data. Plus 11 is 25, and so here we've got 25 pieces of data. And then let's see, if we go down, plus another 17. Let's see, 17 and 25 is 42, so that's 42 pieces of data. And so notice now we've passed our 25th and 26th pieces of data. In this case, the 25th piece of data would have been here, right? Because these added up to 25 pieces of data. So the 25th piece of data is 25,000. Whereas the 26th piece of data is in the next category here, is 30,000. And if we find the mean of those, so if we add those up and divide by 2, we will get, let's see, what is that, 27.5 thousand as our quartile 1 value. So let's continue on here. So if we continue counting, let's see, if we go 42 plus our 19 there, it gets us up to 61. So we have 61 pieces of data here. So that means that data values 50 and 51 both fell in the 35,000 category. So the mean of those is 35,000. And now, let's see here, 61 and 20 is 81. So we have 81 pieces of data if we go all the way down to here, which means the 75th and 76th pieces of data must have been in this category, in the 40,000 category, so 40,000 and 40,000. And if we find the mean of those, of course, we're going to get 40,000. And so it looks like our quartile 3 value is 40,000. So let's go ahead and write our 5-number summary now. Our minimum is 15,000. Our quartile 1 value was 27.5 thousand. Our our median was 35,000. Quartile 3 was 40,000, and our maximum was 50,000. And so there is the 5-number summary for this income data.